So the first thing you need to do is go to this link, click on the text right here, download this file, open your downloads location, extract the file, click on the installer, but only install the 32-bit version, so uncheck this. Go ahead and install everything. And now you want to go to this website and click on this downloader. And then open this folder. Extract these files. Go to this folder and then click on the setup and just click next and then finished for everything. Now, when you open Cakewalk, all you have to do is click on add a track, go to uncategorized, click on Minihost Modular, click OK, go to File, Preferences, and then you want to add this link into one of your custom VST folders. After you do that, click on Scan and Verify. After it's done scanning and verifying everything, you close this, go to Add Plugin, and click on Proteus VX, I think is how you say it. And now you have the plugin working perfectly. But before you do that, you go to File, Open. This will open automatically. Click on these folders, and now you can open this. And now you have the program working perfectly. Alright, so that's how you do it.